Welcome to Fix-It Design, your source for high-end interior inspiration. In today's video, we're showcasing 120 of the most luxurious and modern office interior design trends for 2025. Whether you're designing a corporate headquarters, upgrading a home office, or reinventing a co-working space, these trends will help you create a space that's elegant, efficient, and unforgettable. From statement furniture to smart technology and serene color palettes, 2025 is redefining what luxury means in workspaces. Let's get started. Let's begin with open concept layouts with flexible zones. Offices in 2025 are all about blending function with freedom. Rather than sticking to static cubicles, luxury offices now feature open zones with flexible furniture that can easily shift between meetings, solo work, and collaborative sessions. These spaces promote creativity and reduce stress while encouraging team dynamics in a sophisticated, flowing environment. Biophilic design continues to dominate in 2025. Bringing nature indoors with vertical gardens, large potted plants, and natural ventilation not only improves air quality but boosts mental well-being. Office spaces with green walls, wooden accents, and even water features are seen as more luxurious and human-centered than traditional corporate setups. Nature-inspired design elements are no longer just a trend, they're a must. A key luxury trend this year is executive suites with personalized aesthetics. High-level offices now reflect the personality of their occupants with custom-built furniture, curated artwork, and statement lighting. Rich materials like walnut, leather, brass, and marble give a premium feel while creating a powerful sense of identity and status in a business setting. Technology-integrated interiors are now standard in modern luxury offices. Touch-free doors, smart lighting, voice-controlled temperature systems, and hidden charging stations create a seamless and efficient workspace. In meeting rooms, large LED display walls and built-in conferencing systems are being designed into the architecture rather than added on later, blending tech and decor beautifully. Next, we're seeing a rise in statement ceilings and lighting designs. Offices in 2025 are embracing sculptural pendant lights, recessed LED tracks, and even coffered or acoustic ceiling panels with bold colors or metallic finishes. Lighting is no longer just functional, it's an artistic feature that sets the tone of the workspace and highlights key design elements. Color psychology is playing a huge role in luxury office design. Earthy neutrals like sand, taupe, terracotta, and muted olive green are replacing stark white walls. These shades create warmth, calmness, and a grounded feeling perfect for environments where focus and productivity matter. For creative zones, bold pops of cobalt blue, mustard yellow, or emerald are being introduced to energize and inspire. In 2025, luxurious home offices are more than just a desk in a corner. With more professionals working hybrid schedules, high-end home offices feature full-wall built-ins, ergonomic designer chairs, acoustic panels, and even mood lighting. Many include coffee stations, art walls, and lounge corners for midday breaks. The goal is to make the home office feel just as elite as any corporate space. Let's talk about multifunctional furniture. Luxury office spaces are using high-end furniture that adapts, like height-adjustable desks with built-in lighting and hidden storage, or modular sofas that convert into collaborative zones. Custom cabinetry, fold-away workstations, and dual-purpose furnishings help maintain minimal aesthetics without sacrificing function. Glass partitioning is another trend that continues strong in 2025. Frosted or tinted glass walls give a sense of privacy without disconnecting spaces. Whether it's for boardrooms, private offices, or breakout spaces, glass partitions create a sense of transparency and modernity, letting in light while still defining boundaries in a luxurious way. We also see a rise in textured wall finishes. Walls are being treated like art installations with panels in velvet, suede, acoustic felt, wood grain, or even 3D geometric patterns. These textures add depth and refinement to the workspace, giving it a unique identity and making it more immersive. Designer lounges and breakout areas are essential in high-end offices. These aren't just waiting areas, they're curated environments with luxury sofas, curated coffee tables, ambient lighting, and even mini libraries or art collections. They serve as areas for informal meetings, relaxation, and inspiration. Next is the residential meets commercial aesthetic, where luxury offices take cues from home decor. You'll notice cozy area rugs, upholstered chairs, Art Deco accessories, and even fireplaces making their way into workspaces. This shift creates a warm and inviting atmosphere, encouraging productivity in a stress-free environment. Sustainable luxury is another strong trend. Reclaimed wood desks, low-voc paint, energy-efficient fixtures, and upcycled materials are being used without compromising on design. In 2025, sustainability is elegance, and conscious companies are showing their values through the materials they choose. Then, we have art-integrated interiors. From large-scale murals to digital art displays, luxury offices now incorporate artistic elements to inspire creativity and cultural depth. Custom artworks and sculptures are often used to reinforce brand identity or spark conversation. Sound management is a key concern in open offices. Luxury workspaces are using acoustic panels, felt-covered partitions, sound-absorbing ceilings, and even noise-masking systems to maintain privacy and focus. These aren't just practical, they're being designed as part of the visual experience, adding modern sophistication to the environment. Luxury boardrooms are another area of focus. Think oversized tables in marble or rare woods, statement chandeliers, built-in screens, and art-paneled walls. These boardrooms are designed to impress, blending power, innovation, and design in one statement space. Don't forget wellness zones within the office. Many companies now including meditation rooms, nap pods, standing desk zones, and even yoga areas. These are designed with soft lighting, calming color palettes, and high-end materials that encourage employees to recharge and return to work refreshed. And that wraps up our walkthrough of the best 120 luxury office interior design trends for 2025. From cutting-edge tech to nature-inspired details and bespoke luxury touches, this year is full of transformative ideas for making your workspace smarter, more stylish, and incredibly productive. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more luxury interior inspiration. Let us know in the comments, which design trend is your favorite. Until next time, this is Fix It Design, helping you reimagine your space beautifully.